The sound, so silent. Besides the rustling of the leaves, the chirping of the birds. No cars, no airplanes, no traffic. All that tension I feel in the back of my neck and my head back home. Take a breath and it's gone here. The tension in my jaw, in my ears. The sound of nature, man. So healing. It is very, very quite amazing. Just take in the sun. And the sounds of nature. Back home, like the sound of birds. Man, I need to trim this beard, don't I? But my beard's softer than it's ever been, I'll tell you that. I like that, so. It doesn't get all tangled up and stuff like it used to. I mean, the reason why it looks so matted up right now is I've been under the covers all day with my cat. So, it's been all pressed up against him like this. So, but no. Man, if you have an anxiety, just like overactive thoughts, get out in nature. I mean, like, get away to where you can't hear the sounds of the city. I mean, occasional sound of an airplane here or there. It's not as bad as living next to an airport. That can suck. 5 o'clock in the morning, you hear a oh, it's like, really? I guess that's what happens. Living in the city, you have no control over your silence. Out in nature, man, it is silent. Yes, nature has its sounds, but they're peaceful. Unless you're in the city, then they make me anxious for some reason. It's weird. It's a weird thing. Man, I forget how much the benefits of being out in nature, they're subtle. But man, they can make a huge impact on your health and overall well-being. If you're one that gets out in nature regularly, I bet you are a much more happier person than someone who is stuck in the city, indoors, all day long. I know both. I can tell you I'm happier when I'm out here in nature, for sure. So, getting petted by the trees. Yeah, I need to come make a house out here. I'm definitely more inclined to make videos and share with all of you. Like back home in the city, like I guess it's not having a quiet space to gather my thoughts. I get overwhelmed in the city. And it's not even a big city. So I think I'm a nature dweller for sure. So I think I'm gonna go down to the river and see the water that's not there. Then head back. Enjoy some more time with my cat. Man, my cat was so stressed out the last 3 days. Like he lost more fur around his neck in the last 3 days. I felt so bad for him. Yesterday, before we were about to leave to come back here to my dad's, he was just sitting there on the table, and I could tell he hadn't hardly slept in 3 days. He was just sitting there, and I was starting to pet him. And I know I'm an empath. I've known it for a long time, that I can feel people and animals' emotions. And yeah, it was tough. I could feel it was really tough for him. Yep, like I told you, no water. But I mean, it's that time of year, so you can go walk through the river and not get wet. Wow, cool. But yeah, feeling his emotions, how stressed out he was. He wasn't sleeping at all during the day. He was just huddled up behind a computer. And then at night, he was still like on guard almost all night, hardly able to sleep. And I know how that can be, just from like experiences in my life. And yeah, I can put myself in like an animal situation, a person situation. It's all relative in perspective and how you look at it. I know animals still have feelings just as much as we do. They just aren't able to express them to us in a way in which we can fully understand and comprehend, unless we truly take the time and listen. So got a little pond here with some little fishies. Huh. Looks like somebody came down here with a tractor. What do y'all think? I think somebody is, what are they doing here? Because I remember walking through here, it used to be this nice little brook and rocks where the water would flow. It's not gonna flow no more. Maybe that's why there's no water down here. It's all dammed up. Holy shit. Sorry. Huh. This, used to not be like this. Wonder who came and did all of this. Wow. Yeah, all of this used to be like all natural. That makes me sad. Why did someone have to come in and... Well, I know why. I know why. They're trying to dam this part up so they can pull water out for crops and stuff. My dad's not gonna be happy, because he has to run down there where there's no water, and they've dammed it up here to where the water won't flow down there now. Huh. Man, all of that used to be just natural rock formations. And they just covered it all up now. People can piss me off sometimes. Whatever. I know we can control and manipulate nature. It's part of our being. Yeah. It's to learn how to control and manipulate nature and work with it. I mean, we are nature. Flowing with nature. Man, there's like no good way down anymore. Ugh. Dang. Well, before I start ranting on anything, I think I'm just gonna stop there. And yeah. So this was my second. Well, yeah, I'm gonna stop it there. And just take a few breaths and enjoy nature and not think about those people back there getting in the way of nature. Blah, blah, blah. This is probably just going to be for myself. I don't think I'm going to share this one anymore. Or else I think I'm probably just going to edit it and cut it off. I mean, I don't know. There's a time and place for it. But look down here. This is where we're going to be having to draw water from. And we're going to have a harder time drawing water now. Because somebody else went and manipulated the flow of the river for their gain. So now we're going to have to do the same down there and dam it up from somebody else. And make just chambers and locks of water. I guess we'll just see how it goes. Alright, signing off. Peace.